Alright guys, so I'm going to make you a couple more examples that you can take a look at. Sorry again that I had to bail out on you. So example number 2 is going to be based on definition number 1 of how to find the slope of the tangent line. I've stated the equation for you again, and here's the example. We'll take another nice polynomial function, 3x squared plus 8x plus 1. I'm looking for the slope of the tangent line at x equals 2. If you want to pause the video right now and maybe try this yourself based on your notes, go ahead and try it. Otherwise, let's go through it together right now. So I want to find the slope of the tangent line at that particular value of x. I'm going to need f of a at some point, so remember that this is our a value that we're talking about. So I need to find what f of 2 is going to be. And f of 2 comes from substituting 2 into the function. You get 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 16 is 28. So I get f of 2 as being 29. And this is my a comma f of a point now. That's going to be 2 comma 29. That would help me in finding the actual equation of the tangent line down the road. But we know that we're going to use f of a and a in the equation. So we have to identify those two particular values up front. So my slope is going to be found by taking the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x, the function, 3x squared plus 8x plus 1, minus f of a. Well, we just found that f of a was 29. And we're going to divide by x minus a, where a is 2. So now we're back down to a limit problem. All we have to do is simplify this and treat it as a limit, and that will give us our slope. So to do so, we'll simplify the numerator. 3x squared plus 8x minus 28 all over x minus 2. And a little hint, we always want to try to get the x minus 2 to factor out. That's what's causing our issue. When we go to 2, we can't directly substitute into that denominator. So when we go to simplify the numerator, the x minus 2 should factor out. So I can almost tell you without doubt that there's going to be a factor of x minus 2 in the numerator. That makes it really easy to figure out what the other factor must be. Clearly, it's got to have a 3x to be a 3x squared. And to get a negative 28 from a negative 2, we must have to have a positive 14. Double check and FOIL that back out. You will see that it does equal the polynomial that we have in the numerator, or you can simply factor the numerator and come up with the two factors. So these two cancel out, and now I'm really looking at the limit as x approaches 2 of 3x plus 14. And that we know not to be difficult. Substitute the 2 in, we get a 6. So 6 plus 14 is 20. That is the slope of the tangent line at 229 to the function 3x squared plus 8x plus 1. If we wanted to take that one step further and give you the equation, we could use our point slope formula with our a f of a. There is the point slope formula for the line tangent to 3x squared plus 8x plus 1 at the point 229. All right, again, that's using definition 1. That's the x going to a definition. There's the second rule that we'll talk about in the next example. So now you have two particular examples as to how to do limit as x goes to a. And again, it's really just the setup of the fraction you're worried about. You can evaluate the limits. We've already done that in class, so just try to get it to the limit form and do your simplifications, and then be careful of the questions asking you to find the equation of the tangent line or just the slope of the tangent line. All right, the next couple of videos will address the h going to 0 equation 2 that Skylar went over with you in class. All right, thanks for watching.